This is Dr. B. We're going to take 15% of 1,000. So here's how I think about it. 15%, that means per 100, 15 per 100. So if I had just 100, it would be 15. But I have this extra place here. This is 1,000. So instead of 15, I'm going to call it 150. 15% of 1,000 is 150. Here's another way to do it. We said 15%, that's 15 per 100. Get rid of that that just means multiplication. So 15 over 100 times 1,000. I'm going to call it 1,000 over 1. Still 1,000, but everything lines up nice. 15 times 1,000, that equals 15,000. 100 times 1, that is 100. So now we just divide 15,000 by 100 and we get 150. And that's what we got before. One final way you can do it, divide 15 by 100, you get 0.15, and then you multiply that by 1,000. That gives you 150 as well. This is Dr. B taking 15% of 1,000. The answer, 150. Thanks for watching.